Cannabis treatment of pain. Pain is a sense of suffering and discomfort, tissue injury gesture on the body and located in a certain area there. According to the International Association for Research in Pain, set perceptions and unpleasant emotional experience associated with actual or possible damage to the tissue, or described in terms of such loss. Due to cross-cultural understanding that pain was associated with physical injury, and because it may significantly reduce quality of life of the individual, it is a symptom. Cannabis treatment of pain, the most commonly leads to turn-rofa.m. However, the evolutionary advantage of pain is that it alerts the person or animal is in immediate danger of physical injury or long-term damage expected, and therefore urges in particular to avoid the danger and call for help. In addition, it helps in recovery from injury by forcing off the affected limb, and in addition to contributing to detail is also beneficial to the collective, thereby transmitting on the distress encourages individuals to take precautions, collective defense against danger. Cannabis treatment of pain. Pain treatment oil. Cannabis oil is oil extracted from the seeds of the cannabis plant, marijuana. The use of cannabis to treat pain. Oil known since ancient times where healers were using oil-based creams. Cannabis to treat pain and inflammation. Another tomb of Chinese Emperor Yang Island. Residues of active substance in marijuana by researchers who studied residues and various artifacts dating leads to the tomb 2,700 years in the past. Cannabis oil through Western medicine began in the 19th century in 1829 by an American surgeon returning from work in India, where it discovered the healing qualities of the plant and the oil extracted from it. Even then, the hemp oil has been recognized as having qualities that can benefit the deer medications such as inflammation, pain reduction, and anti-aging. In 1937, outlawed in the U.S. after much pressure from the textile industry and the drugs they wanted to remove the plant from their competitors on the pockets of buyers. Today there are many ways to earn its medical properties of cannabis plant and the oil extracted from it in particular. Today there are oils that are missing the cannabis psychoactive substances in plants and are rich in essential fatty acids like omega health body 6 and omega-3. Medical marijuana to treat pain. Pain treatment oil. Cannabis oil is oil extracted from the seeds of the cannabis plant, marijuana. Cannabis treatment of pain. The use of cannabis to treat pain. Oil known since ancient times where healers were using oil-based creams. Cannabis to treat pain and inflammation. Another tomb of Chinese Emperor Yang Island. Residues of active substance in marijuana by researchers who studied residues and various artifacts dating leads to the tomb 2,700 years in the past. Cannabis oil through Western medicine began in the 19th century in 1829 by an American surgeon returning from work in India, where it discovered the healing qualities of the plant and the oil extracted from it. Even then, the hemp oil has been recognized as having qualities that can benefit the deer medications such as inflammation, pain reduction, and anti-aging. In 1937, outlawed in the U.S. after much pressure from the textile industry and the drugs they wanted to remove the plant from their competitors on the pockets of buyers. Today there are many ways to earn its medical properties of cannabis plant and the oil extracted from it in particular. Today there are oils that are missing the cannabis psychoactive substances in plants and are rich in essential fatty acids like omega health body 6 and omega-3. Medical marijuana to treat pain. Oil. Cannabis to treat pain. Study wanted to map the changes of the active ingredients of cannabis to treat pain, found that the active ingredients in oil cannabis CBD, CBN, CBC, CBG, THC, and THC greatly influence the sensation of pain and lower it significantly. The study gave its findings to the active substances under medical fields, which is a positive influence. Medical marijuana to treat pain. Oil. Cannabis to treat pain. Studies have examined a specific contribution of cannabis oil to treat pain. The studies we would like to note: the research of Dr. Charles Webb published in 2014 and looked at how cannabis oil affects pain reporting of patients experiencing these symptoms. The average baseline pain scores of the patients was 7.8, while that after cannabis manna fell on it reported an average pain patients to 2.6. Dr. Webb conclusions of the research are named after cannabis is a safe and effective treatment of chronic pain. In addition, the team noted scholar named cannabis is much safer in terms of its potential for addiction, use mplofosio markets such as drugs that are based on material afiati. Another study focused on pain. Neurologists found that patients with pain from cancer not caused a significant drop in reported pain, and bouts of pain after using cannabis for pain in oil are not related. Cancer. Which virtues of hemp oil, which is also known cannabis treatment of pain. Pain treatment. Cannabis oil, omega-9 fatty acid found in one of the most effective ingredients whose name cannabis to treat pain. A study done at the Department of Neurology at the University of California study said of omega-9 there is a significant role to block the sensation of pain. The study sought to show neuronal cell level there is a significant improvement as soon as the intervention of the materials hemboidim found cannabis oil. How reforms in the active ingredients of cannabis oil holding their vulnerability to pain or lack of proper functioning of the cell, thus that inhibit nerve conduction due to the brain and translated in pain. The research also found hemboidim similarly regulate pain opioids but a healthier body and nervous system in particular. The study concluded that the use of oil to consider cannabis and other products hemboidim treatment patient pain medication afiatiate due to the similarity of the system sedentary.